Experience good life in a place where it is more than just a home. A new kind of lifestyle. A breathtaking horizon. A self-contained and sustainable community. Where everything is right at your doorstep. Experience a new dimension of life. In a community where you can nurture the joy of living, the serenity of space, the warmth of a family, and the peace of a secured future. Come home and experience Minglanilla Highlands Cebu. Minglanilla Highlands Cebu is the new brand of affordable luxury residences by Sterling Land Residences and Development Incorporated. Conceptually master planned by world-renowned urban planner, architect Filipino JUN PALAFOX. This 25-hectare uphill integrated township development project in Metro Cebu South will introduce a community design, integrated with a natural environment, provide on-site jobs for the locality, create a sense of place, meet the growing needs of the community, and establish a memorable place to live, work, play, and worship. It offers green architecture and design, with lots of open spaces that are interconnected with linkages within a 200-meter radius to promote healthy and active lifestyle. Nestled at a scenic location in Tubod, Minglanilla, it boasts of breathtaking views of the sea, the city, and the mountain ranges that surround it. It aims to preserve the beauty of nature by following the natural contour of the land, with setbacks for slope protection and allocated ample spaces for sidewalks and planting strips. It has areas dedicated to edible landscaping, an orchard, a forest, and a lagoon, with boardwalks where families can go out fishing or enjoy the mountain breeze with dazzling views of the magnificent surroundings. Minglanilla Highlands Cebu is situated in the progressive town of Minglanilla, conveniently accessible via South Road properties with two main access roads, the Toledo Wharf Road and Tubod Road. With a third bridge in Cordova connecting to South Road properties, traveling to different local and international destinations becomes fast and easy with the Mactan International Airport, where direct flights are conveniently available. Designed by Cebu's top architectural firm, Dream Architects, with a selection of modern architectural styles. Experience living in this prestigious address in Metro Cebu South. Single detached prime. Single detached regular. Single attached duplex. Townhouses. Experience this new and distinct brand of tastefully master-planned community with world-class amenities. Welcome and experience Minglanilla, Highlands, Cebu. More than just a home, a new kind of lifestyle.